Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English practice today. I am Mr. Only, and I am very happy to help you learn. Today, we are going to practice a very important skill for your daily life. We are talking about how to review your day and how to set small goals for tomorrow. When you review your day, you think about what you did well. You think about what made you happy and what was difficult. Setting small goals helps you feel organized and ready. It gives you a clear plan so you do not feel stressed. This lesson is designed to be very slow and very clear. I want you to listen to every word and try to repeat the sentences after us. Speaking English takes practice, and we are here to practice with you. Please listen carefully as we begin this lesson about reflecting on our time and planning for a better tomorrow. Let us start now with our friend Sarah.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah. I am so glad you are here to study with us. In this part of the lesson, I want to tell you why reviewing your day is so helpful. Every evening, I sit down for 5 minutes. I ask myself what I finished today. I also think about what I want to do tomorrow morning. This helps my mind stay calm before I go to sleep. We will use very simple English words. We will use words like finished and started and tomorrow and goal. You do not need big words to have a great conversation. We are going to show you a long conversation between me and Mr. Only. We will talk about our work and our chores and our small plans. You will hear us use our names often so you can follow who is speaking. Let us begin our main conversation now.
Good evening, Sarah. It is the end of the day. How are you feeling right now?
Good evening, Mr. Only. I am feeling a little bit tired, but I am also feeling very happy. It was a very busy day for me.
I understand, Sarah. It was a busy day for me, too. Do you have some time to review your day with me?
Yes, Mr. Only. I have plenty of time. I think it is a great idea to talk about what we did today. Where should we start?
Let us start with the morning, Sarah. What was the first thing you did today?
Well, Mr. Only, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I made a cup of coffee and I ate some toast. Then I started my work.
That sounds like a good start, Sarah. Did you finish all the work you wanted to do this morning?
I finished most of it, Mr. Only. I wrote 3 emails and I cleaned my desk. But I did not finish the report.
That is okay, Sarah. You can always finish the report tomorrow. What about the afternoon? What did you do after lunch?
In the afternoon, Mr. Only, I went for a short walk. The weather was very nice and sunny. Then I went to the grocery store to buy some food for dinner.
I'm glad you went for a walk, Sarah. It is important to get some fresh air. Did you buy everything you needed at the store?
I think so, Mr. Only. I bought apples and bread and some milk. I also bought some eggs.
That is good, Sarah. Now let us think about your goals from yesterday. Did you meet your goals for today?
Yes, Mr. Only. My goal was to exercise and to finish my emails. I did both of those things. I feel proud of myself.
You should feel proud, Sarah. You did a great job today. Now let us talk about my day. Would you like to hear about it?
I would love to hear about your day, Mr. Only. What did you do today?
I started my day very early, Sarah. I went to the gym at 6 o'clock. Then I came home and worked on our English lessons.
You are very hardworking, Mr. Only. Did you find the work difficult today?
Some parts were difficult, Sarah. I had to record many videos, but I enjoyed the process very much.
I am happy to hear that, Mr. Only. Did you have any small goals for today that you did not finish?
Actually, Sarah, I wanted to read 20 pages of my book, but I only read 10 pages. I was too tired in the evening.
That is perfectly fine, Mr. Only. 10 pages is still very good. You can read the other 10 pages tomorrow.
Thank you for saying that, Sarah. Now we should think about tomorrow. What is one small goal you have for tomorrow?
My small goal for tomorrow, Mr. Only, is to wake up early and drink more water. I want to stay hydrated.
That is an excellent goal, Sarah. Drinking water is very important for your health. Do you have another goal?
Yes, Mr. Only. I also want to finish that report I mentioned earlier. I want to finish it before noon.
That sounds like a very clear plan, Sarah. I know you can do it. For me, I want to finish my book tomorrow.
I believe in you, Mr. Only. We both have good plans for tomorrow. Reviewing the day makes me feel much better.
It makes me feel better too, Sarah. It's like putting the day in a box and closing it. Now we can rest.
You are right, Mr. Only. It is time to relax. Should we check our schedule one more time before we finish?
Yes, Sarah. Let us check. You will do the report and drink water. I will finish my book and exercise.
That is correct, Mr. Only. We have our goals ready. I feel very organized now.
Me too, Sarah. It is very helpful to say these goals out loud. It makes them feel real.
I agree, Mr. Only. When I say it, I remember it better. Thank you for talking with me today.
Thank you too, Sarah. It is always nice to share my day with you. We're a good team.
We are a great team, Mr. Only. I am looking forward to a productive day tomorrow.
I am looking forward to it too, Sarah. Let us have a wonderful evening and get some sleep.
Good night, Mr. Only. I will see you in the morning.
Good night, Sarah. Rest well and see you soon.
Now I will explain some of the sentences we used in our conversation. When I said, I feel proud of myself, I meant that I am happy with what I did. It is important to be kind to yourself. When Mr. Only said, I have plenty of time, he meant that he was not in a hurry. We also used the word goal. A goal is something you want to do. Let us try some more small dialogues to practice these ideas. Imagine we are talking about chores. Mr. Only, please ask me about my house goals.
Miss Sarah, what is your goal for your house tomorrow?
My goal, Mr. Only, is to wash the dishes and clean the floor.
That is a very good goal, Miss Sarah. Will you do it in the morning or the evening?
I will do it in the morning, Mr. Only. I like to have a clean house early in the day. See how simple that was? Now let us try one about healthy habits. Mr. Only, please ask me about my food goals.
Miss Sarah, what is your goal for eating tomorrow?
My goal, Mr. Only, is to eat a big salad for lunch. I want to eat more vegetables.
That is very healthy, Miss Sarah. I will try to eat a salad too.
Great idea, Mr. Only. Let us try one more dialogue about work.
Miss Sarah, what is your most important task at work tomorrow?
My most important task, Mr. Only, is to call my boss. I need to ask a question about our new project.
That is very important, Miss Sarah. Make sure you write that down so you do not forget.
I will write it on a sticky note, Mr. Only. Writing down your goals is another great way to remember them. When you review your day, try to use these simple sentences. You can say, today I did this, or tomorrow I will do that. It is very simple. Practice saying these words with us. Say the word goal. Say the word review. Say the word tomorrow. You are doing a wonderful job.
We are now at the end of our lesson. I am very proud of you for listening to this entire script. You are doing a great job learning English. Remember that learning a language is like setting small goals. Every day you learn a few more words and you become better and better.
Yes, Mr. Only is right. Do not try to learn everything in one day. Just try to learn a little bit every day. Reviewing your day and setting goals is a great habit for your life and for your English study. We hope you enjoyed this long conversation and the extra practice.
Thank you for practicing with Sarah and me today. Please keep listening and keep speaking. Your English is getting stronger every single minute.
Goodbye for now, everyone. We will see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful night.
Goodbye, Sarah, and goodbye to all our students. Keep up the great work.